What is up, you guys? We finally made it home, and this is home. It's dark here because it's PM. There's B, my mom, Jessica, Titan, who escaped death today from getting stuck in some stickers. Y'all. Baby Christmas tree and Miss Tammy, you guys see her in the group all the time. So we're home, we made it safe, and sorry we're not doing a video today. We're just beat after, I don't even know how many hour drive.
8.
No. 10, 11 from.
It was about, yeah, it was a while. We got stuck in really shitty traffic,
Oh yeah.
construction traffic.
That was fun.
5 miles.
No, it was like standstill craziness traffic. Anyways, we're here, and sorry we didn't post a video today, but
You can post the countertop you did,
which countertop?
the one behind you.
That video is already posted, but y'all want to see one of the first countertops we ever did?
That's like 2 years later and it's still the same.
Looks like this. You guys can't see it. Oh, there it is. Stone Coat, eat your heart out. Just kidding. Y'all did it way better than we did. But very proud of it. Anyways, I gotta go find Cujo because he's probably peeing on something he shouldn't be. And we'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.